90% of your loops? You don't need them. JavaScript arrays come with superpowers built in. Let's meet them. First, the categories. Every array method falls into one of three buckets. Mutation changes the original. Traversal visits every item. Accessors find or grab. Know the bucket, know the risk. Mutation squad push adds to the tail. Pop removes from the tail. Unshift adds to the head. Shift removes from the head. Splice edits in the middle. All five change the original array. Handle with care. Sort and reverse, also mutation. Reverse just flips the order. It does not sort descending. Sort turns everything into a string by default. To sort numbers properly, pass a compare function. Map, the transformer. Give it a callback. Get back a brand new array where every item is changed. Original stays safe. This is functional programming in one line. Filter, the bouncer. Return true, you're in. Return false, you're out. It hands back a new array with only the items that passed your test. Sum and every onk the judges. Sum returns. True if at least one item passes. Every returns true only if all of them pass. 2 questions, 2 methods, 0 loops. Reduce, the closer. It scales an entire array down to one value, a total, an average, a single object. Accumulator plus current. That's the whole trick. Find and includes, the searchers. Includes checks for an exact match, returns true or false. Find runs a callback and returns the first item that passes. Find index returns its position instead. Method chaining. The pro move. Filter first. Map the survivors. Reduce to a single number. 1 expression, 0 temporary variables. This is why we learned the prototype. That's your new toolkit. Mutation for changes. Traversal for transformation. Accessors for search. Master these. And you'll write half the code with twice the clarity. Drop prototype in the comments, like subscribe. See you in EP10.